Let me take you to another interesting remedy, which is Calcarea carb. These Calcarea carb people have robust, solid constitution, but they are overwhelmed with any that they would suffer from any physical illness. If you give them too much of work, they will fear that they will have a breakdown because of a lot of work, and they are having a peculiar fear of breaking out of safe routine. These are the people who want one routine. Now, if last minute you have some change of plans, they'll be very anxious and they will have difficulty to go along with the flow. Many things changing now. So Calcarea carb people, you will see they are very disturbed these days. Every news of maybe cruelty of COVID-19 confuses them too much, and they have anxieties and fears, and they have fears that they will go mad, and fears that they have already contracted the infection. They worry at every bad news, and they will be having a nagging dread of disaster. They will feel that everything, all fear of diseases and miseries that they fear, it is seen in their dreams also. So they dream of all this, and they also have fear of heights, and they are chilly. They have aggravation from cold, and they also have sweet craving. They are easily fatigued. They look good, but they easily get fatigued. Another very, very interesting remedy is phosphorus. Now, who gets phosphorus? Who are phosphorus patients? The very important symptom of a phosphorus person, you can spot like that, is that a phosphorus person is a very open-hearted person. Open mind, open soul, everything coming out easily, or easy communication, needs a lot of friends, a lot of company, and he needs reassurance from all, always. Easily startled and full of intense, vivid fears. He will have fears of various types. Very important symptom of phosphorus is that he is greatly susceptible to external impressions. If this person says something, he will believe that. That person says something, he will believe that. So any external impression, and of course the weather also, he is the thunderstorm remedy. Now every thunderstorm aggravates him. He fears every storm, and he fears all dark. That something is coming out of every corner. He fears he is going to die. He also declares that he is going to die. He is so threatened that he will have a lot of sweating. He will soil his pants, and he is very, very nervous. But very important symptom of phosphorus is that he is very sympathetic, very sensitive to others. So sensitive that he picks up the suffering of others and he suffers himself. And this sympathy, it exhausts him, and he's spaced out, and he fears that he is now going to get ill. He has great fatigue, and all this suddenness, and all the sudden sweating, easy flushing of face, palpitation, he says मुझे धड़-धड़ हो रहा है. Great thirst, and he has great thirst and a strong thirst for very cold water or any refreshing food. A very important symptom of phosphorus is also that he will want salt. And what is the remedy for phosphorus? A phosphorus patient, he gets okay after a good night's sleep. Sleep is his remedy. If he sleeps, everything falls back in place. So that was phosphorus for you. So very important remedy, and for The next remedy that I'm going to take is a female remedy. Why do I say female? The name of the remedy is pulsatilla. Now this pulsatilla is given to any females mostly around the time of hormonal changes, maybe puberty, maybe menstrual periods, or maybe menopause. Why do I say that it is a female remedy mostly? Because of the constitutional makeup of a pulsatilla woman. Now a pulsatilla, she needs constant support, comforting, hugging, cuddling, and if you don't give it to her, she will manipulate you into giving it to her. You have to be very nice to her. And if you don't do it, she will manipulate you. And if you just do it and okay, she does not like that. You have to do it properly. You have to talk to her properly, very sweetly. All she needs is sympathy. Consolation ameliorates her. She needs sympathy. And all these attention-seeking activities are only to gather sympathy. This is a remedy which is thirstless. Pulsatilla patient does not need a lot of water. Is also a chilly remedy. So all cold things aggravates her. But this is a remedy for people who are moody, very tearful, almost weeping, emotionally childless, weeps easily, very emotional and very changeable. No two symptoms are alike. She says, I have pain here. When you go and ask where it pains, she'll say it pains here, it pains there. So changeable symptoms. And she, cannot sit in a closed, stuffed room. She wants to go out in the open air. And all this ameliorates. Even a small gentle exercise ameliorates all the symptoms of pulsatilla. A wonderful remedy for such type of anxieties. Another important remedy that I am going to talk about today is Kali Phos. And Kali Phos is surely going to help everybody who is suffering from any exhaustion, fatigue, illness, any deep-seated anxiety, and if the person has a lot of sadness because of that, lot of melancholy, almost extreme melancholy, and he thinks that he's eternally and irretrievably damned. Nothing good can ever happen of him. If that happens, Kali Phos is the remedy. And this person is very jumpy, very oversensitive, and if there's a little some sound here, he will get startled. Ordinary sounds, normal ordinary sounds will startle him. And any hearing of unpleasant news, you'll say that there was a positive COVID case in that area, he'll so thinking of any world event, thinking of everything aggravates his problem. And there's a strange weariness of life. He fears death. And because of this, the person cannot sleep. Insomnia of the greatest type. And Kali Phos is a wonderful drug. It helps you relieve all these symptoms. And there is so much increasing of nervousness in this patient. So if you give that person Kali Phos, it will be very helpful. This person is also relieved by eating. Maybe if he gets sleep and warmth, this patient is quite better. So this